Stationary vacuum cleaners are fixed or hands-free systems that make cleaning easier by automatically suctioning dirt. They're known for strong performance and low-effort, hygienic floor cleaning. Starting at number 1, EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum. The EyeVac is a powerful and efficient vacuum designed for hard floor surfaces, featuring a robust 1400-watt motor that effectively removes dust, pet hair, and debris. Its motion-activated functionality, powered by infrared sensors, ensures convenient operation, activating automatically when needed. The vacuum is easy to maintain, allowing users to quickly empty the canister by simply pulling it out and removing the lid and pre-motor filter. With a long 6-foot cord, it offers flexible placement options, making it ideal for various settings. Originally designed for professional use in environments such as hair salons and pet grooming businesses, the EyeVac is also perfect for pet owners. It is equipped with 3 high-efficiency filters that capture dust, dirt, and large debris up to quarter-sized, ensuring that clean air is returned to your home. Number 2. EyeVac Air Air Purifier. The EyeVac Air 2-in-1 HEPA Air Purifier and Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan is a highly efficient cleaning solution designed for modern homes. This innovative device combines the functionality of a powerful air purifier with a convenient touchless vacuum system, making it ideal for maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. With its impressive coverage of up to 600 square feet, it effectively captures dust and allergens thanks to its HEPA filtration system. The corded canister vacuum operates at 1,000 watts, ensuring ultra-fast and powerful performance. Additionally, the automatic sensors enhance usability by allowing for hands-free operation, while the bagless design simplifies maintenance. Available in a sleek white finish, the EyeVac Air is both practical and stylish, making it a perfect addition to any household. Number 3. AIRTHEREAL T1. The AIRTHEREAL vacuum features a 1.85-gallon dust capacity and is equipped with advanced automatic and touch dual sensors, making it compact, lightweight, and powerful for efficient cleaning. It utilizes a HEPA filter to ensure high air quality while effectively cleaning hard floors. The vacuum offers versatile cleaning modes, allowing users to switch between floor and tool modes to meet specific cleaning needs. In floor mode, it automatically activates through infrared detection or when the broom touches the sensing area, while tool mode enables manual use of the built-in hose for targeted cleaning. Its advanced infrared sensors detect sweeping motions, starting the vacuum without the need to bend down or press buttons. With a robust suction power of 20 kPa and the ability to capture particles as small as 0.3 microns, it removes 99.97% of dust, hair, and debris, making it ideal for both home and professional use, including households, pet-friendly spaces, grooming salons, workshops, and studios. Number 4. Miele Blizzard CX1. The Miele Bagless Canister Vacuum is a German-engineered cleaning device designed for optimal performance on hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. It features strong suction power and allows users to switch between 4 different suction settings to accommodate various surfaces. The vacuum utilizes innovative vortex technology, which effectively captures both coarse and fine dust particles during cleaning. Additionally, it is equipped with a maintenance-free HEPA lifetime filter and a Gore CleanStream fine dust filter, ensuring top-notch filtration. The hygienic click-to-open emptying system allows for easy disposal of the dustbin contents without releasing a cloud of fine dust back into the air, making it a practical choice for maintaining a clean home environment. Number 5. Kenmore 600 Series. The Kenmore bagged canister vacuum is designed for versatile cleaning across various surfaces, including hard floors and carpets, thanks to its multi-purpose design and swivel head. With a powerful 2-motor system, it boasts impressive suction strength, rated at 183 W, and features a cleaning width of 14 inches. The vacuum comes equipped with 2 floor nozzles and includes 3 additional attachments: a crevice tool, dirt brush, and bare floor tool. Its triple HEPA filter system effectively traps 99.97% of dirt, ensuring that allergens are contained within the vacuum. For pet owners, the vacuum features a motorized pet PowerMate attachment that efficiently lifts stubborn pet hair and dirt while preventing hair from tangling around the brush. This convenient attachment can be stored inside the vacuum and easily connects to the handle and wand for quick bare floor cleaning.